welcome to Future Wheels, your go-to channel for the latest innovations in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Polestar 4, a revolutionary electric SUV coupe that redefines performance, luxury, and sustainability. The Polestar 4 stands out with its futuristic design, seamlessly blending Scandinavian minimalism with cutting-edge aerodynamics. Unlike traditional SUVs, it features a sleek, low-slung profile that enhances both aesthetics and efficiency. One of the boldest design choices is the absence of a rear window, replaced by a high-definition camera system that provides a seamless digital rear view, maximizing safety and visibility. Under the hood, the 2025 Polestar 4 offers dual-motor all-wheel drive and a high-performance battery system, delivering an impressive 536 horsepower and 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in just 3.8 seconds. A single-motor version is also available for those prioritizing range over performance. The advanced battery technology ensures a range of over 300 miles on a single charge, with ultra-fast charging capabilities that allow up to 80% charge in around 30 minutes. Inside, the Polestar 4 is a masterpiece of luxury and innovation. The cabin is crafted from premium sustainable materials, reflecting Polestar's commitment to eco-friendly design without compromising comfort. The minimalist dashboard features a 15.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Google, offering seamless navigation, voice controls, and smart connectivity. A high-resolution digital driver display ensures all essential information is within easy reach, while an immersive Harman Kardon audio system delivers studio-quality sound. Passenger comfort is taken to the next level with spacious rear seats, enhanced legroom, and a panoramic glass roof that creates an open, airy ambience. Advanced climate control and smart ambient lighting further enhance the driving experience, making every journey feel luxurious. Safety and technology are at the core of the Polestar 4. Equipped with LiDAR-based driver assistance, a suite of sensors and cameras, and Level 2+ autonomous driving capabilities, it offers one of the most advanced safety systems in its class. Whether on highways or in city traffic, the intelligent driving aids provide a smooth, secure ride. The 2025 Polestar 4 is more than just an electric SUV, it's a statement of innovation, performance, and sustainability. With a bold design, impressive range, and state-of-the-art technology, it stands as a strong competitor in the growing EV market. Polestar continues to push boundaries, proving that electric mobility can be both thrilling and responsible. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest EVs and futuristic vehicles. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Polestar 4, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video.